Dear students, in the program of Junior JEE Bit course, we are in the chapter Trigonometry. In Trigonometry, Maths 1A textbook, page number 235, page number 234, Roman number 3, sums are going on. Page number 234, Roman number 3 sums. In Roman number 3, in Roman number 3, general number 1, 3 sums completed. In Roman number 3, general number 2, prove that sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square, cos theta plus secant theta whole square minus tan square theta minus tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 7. Take the LHS. LHS you can write sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square minus of tan square theta plus cot square theta minus of tan square theta plus cot square theta. So that is equal to, now using the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square concept, a square plus 2 sin theta cosecant theta plus cosecant square theta plus cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 cos theta secant theta minus tan square theta minus cot square theta. This is the expansion of LHS. Now you can understand sin square theta plus cos square theta. You can write 2 into sin theta and cosec theta. The product is 1 here. 1 plus 2 into, here you can write cosecant square theta as 1 plus cot square theta plus this secant square theta you can write as 1 plus tan square theta, so minus tan square theta, and again here 2 secant theta cosecant theta is there, so plus 2 you can write. Now minus tan square theta minus cot square theta. Here tan is cot square theta minus cot square theta, tan square theta minus tan square theta get cancelled. This is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7. This is RHS. Now let us discuss the third question. Not third question, in second question. This is second question. IMP 2 marks. IMP 2 marks. Prove that cos power 4 alpha plus 2 cos square alpha into 1 minus 1 by secant square alpha is equal to 1 minus sin power 4 alpha. This is LHS. Here LHS you can write cos power 4 alpha plus 2 cos square alpha into 1 minus 1 by secant theta value cos theta, so 1 minus cos square alpha you can write. That is equal to, you can write this one as cos square alpha whole square, cos square alpha whole square, plus this is 2 cos square alpha into 1 minus cos square alpha formula sin square alpha. So here I am adding and subtracting that sin square alpha whole square minus sin square alpha whole square. Sin square alpha whole square minus sin square alpha whole square. This one you can try to understand as a square plus 2ab plus b square. The formula is here a plus b whole square. So using the formula a plus b whole square, you can able to understand cos square alpha plus sin square alpha total whole square minus this is sin power 4 alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha formula 1 whole square becomes 1 minus sin power 4 alpha. This is RHS and IMP 2 marks question in the IPE concept. Now let us going to discuss the third question. In Roman number 3, in Roman number 3, general number 2, third question. One plus sin theta minus cos theta. 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square. For numerator separate whole square and for denominator separate whole square is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Let us remember the formula a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A plus b plus c whole square formula a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So depends upon that formula, expand the numerator and denominator separately. It becomes 1 square means 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta plus 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta whole by 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Here you can understand 1 plus this is 1, 2. So 1 plus 1, 2 you can write. 2 plus 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta whole by this is 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 sin theta plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Here divide with 2 everything. You can write here 1 plus sin theta, put a bracket, and minus cos theta you can take common. It becomes 1 plus sin theta within the brackets. By here 1 plus sin theta and put a bracket here, take plus here, cos theta taken common. It becomes 1 plus sin theta. So that is equal to again 1 plus sin theta you can take common. It becomes 1 minus cos theta into again 1 plus sin theta, you can take common here, it becomes 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta will be getting cancelled in numerator and denominator. You can write here 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So we got RHS. From LHS to RHS we got. Now let us discuss about fourth question. If 2 sin theta whole by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta, 2 sin theta whole by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta is equal to x. Find the value of 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta, 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta we need to calculate. If given value x as sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta, given x is equal to 2 sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, the bracket here, plus cos theta, separate bracket. But why did you write like this? You can get the doubt. In the denominator we need to calculate 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta. Here if we put plus here, if we do rationalization to numerator and denominator, if we rationalize with like this 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta, opposite symbol is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. If we rationalize, then we will get the answer. That is why by observing the answer we can write this one. Now rationalizing, we can write rationalizing. It becomes 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. Now you can multiply here, simply leave like this, 2 sin theta into, write like this, 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta whole by, this you can understand as this is a plus b and this is a minus b. A plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. So you can understand 1 plus sin theta whole square. You can write here like this, 1 plus sin theta whole square, 1 plus sin theta whole square minus cos theta. Don't change the numerator. Simply leave it 2 sin theta into 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta whole by, expand this one. As a plus b whole square formula, this becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square concept, 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta minus cos square theta. 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Keep it side. Now let us start from here. That is equal to, don't change numerator, 2 sin theta into 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta, 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta whole by, 1 in the place of 1 you write the identity sin square theta plus cos square, sin square theta plus cos square theta, plus you can write 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Cos square theta, cos square theta get cancelled. This is 2 sin theta into 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta whole by, you can write this one as 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is equal to 2 sin theta into 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta whole by, take 2 sin theta as common, you can write here cos theta plus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta is written here, 1 plus sin square theta plus this is sin square theta 1 plus 2 sin theta, 1 minus cos theta becomes 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta, not cos theta is there. Unnecessarily I had written cos theta. 2 sin theta only. So if you take common sin theta here, sin theta plus 1, you can write 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta get cancelled. RHS we got as 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta whole by 1 plus sin theta. So you can observe here, whatever the value we are taking, simply the value depends upon the value we got this one, so it is nothing but x. So again the value, by taking x we got again the value x. So if this question you face in objective, then simply you put objective shortcut, put theta is equal to 45. Otherwise if you put theta is equal to 90, students 1 minus sin theta equal to 1. So 2 by 1, this is 0 plus 1. 2 by 2 value 1. So this is put here 90, 1 minus 1 plus 1 by, plus this is 1 by 1 plus 1. So 1 by 2. So 1 by x. So simply, so reciprocal we got. 1 minus, not reciprocal, same value we got here. The value is x. Let us verify. Question number exercise 6, x only we got. You can put, if theta equal to 90 or 0 is not possible, then by 45 degrees you can put and get the answer in the objective. It is a shortcut. Now let us go for another sum. Roman number 3. Second question completed. Let us discuss about Roman number 3, third question. Among them, total 4 questions are there. Roman number 3, fourth question. Third question. Eliminate theta. The main heading is eliminate theta from the following. Eliminate theta from the following. First one, x equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube. X is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta. In the process of elimination of theta, we need to calculate the identity concept. Using identity concept, anyhow we should get an equation. In that equation, theta will not be. That means sin square theta, cos square theta, cos cube theta, anything, the value should not be. So you can understand, without theta, you should write an equation. Any equation. The equation you can get in any manner. There is no question of power, so real numbers, so minus, plus, anything you can put, but using identity. Here, by observing cos theta and sin theta, we know that the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 5. So now you can write here x by a is equal to cos cube theta and y by b is equal to sin cube theta. So you can understand by using the formula cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. X by a whole power 2 by 3 you write. So cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3 comma y by b whole power 2 by 3 is equal to sin cube theta whole power 2 by 3. Now x by a whole power 2 by 3 plus y by b whole power 2 by 3 can write. x by a whole power 2 by 3 plus y by a whole power 2 by 3 is cos square theta, because 3 3 get cancelled, 3 3 get cancelled. It becomes cos square theta plus sin square theta. It is nothing but 1. So elimination of theta. By elimination of theta, we got the value as x by a whole power 2 by 3 plus y by b whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1. This is the equation after elimination of theta in the question. Now in this one, second question, x is equal to a cos power 4 theta. X is equal to a cos power 4 theta comma y is equal to b sin power 4 theta. You can understand this one as x by a is equal to cos power 4 theta and y by b is equal to sin power 4 theta. Using the same identity concept, you can take here root x by a. Root x by a becomes cos square theta and root y by b. Root y by b becomes sin square theta. Now write the identity root of x by a plus root of y by b is equal to the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. That implies root of x by a plus root of y by b is equal to 1. Root of x by a plus root of y by b is equal to 1 is the elimination of theta. By eliminating theta, we got the identity. Next, third one, x is equal to a into secant theta plus tan theta. Third one, x is equal to a into secant theta plus tan theta and y is equal to b into secant theta minus tan theta. B into secant theta minus tan theta. You write, students, simply this is 1 and this is 2. Now 1 into 2 you can write. So x into y is equal to ab into, directly you can understand that this is the form of a plus b into a minus b. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Therefore, xy is equal to ab into secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan theta, answer 1. It is an identity. Therefore, by elimination of theta, we got the equation as xy is equal to ab. Now, we can see the last question of this exercise. X is equal to cot theta plus tan theta. X is equal to cot theta plus tan theta. And y is equal to secant theta minus cos theta. Secant theta minus cos theta. By taking x is equal to, here you write 1 by tan theta plus tan theta. Taking LCM, 1 plus tan square theta by tan theta. So x is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, notation secant square theta by tan theta. X is equal to, here we can write as secant square theta into 1 by tan theta becomes sin theta by cos theta. So x is equal to secant square theta into cos theta by sin theta. X is equal to secant square secant theta into cos theta by sin theta. Secant theta into secant theta into cos theta you can write. This is sin by cos, cos taken that side. Secant theta into cos theta into secant theta we can write. So into sin theta. It's okay. Students, cos theta into secant theta becomes 1. So x is equal to, we got secant theta by sin. Keep aside x. Now y you can take, y is equal to secant theta minus cos theta. So y is equal to secant theta you can write as 1 by cos theta minus cos theta by 1. So y is equal to 1 minus cos square theta whole by cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta formula sin square theta by cos theta. Okay. So keep aside by. Y is equal to sin square theta by cos theta. Now I am writing x y square minus x y square you take. X means secant theta by sin theta into y square means sin power 4 theta by cos square theta. This sin will be getting cancelled as cube times. So xy square is equal to secant theta. Take it down. It becomes sin cube theta by, whenever secant theta becomes down, it becomes cos theta. So you can write cos theta into cos square theta is there. Sin cube theta by cos cube theta becomes tan cube theta. Keep aside, we got xy square. Now x square y and x square y. So what is x square here? Secant square theta by sin square theta into y means sin square theta by cos square, no, it is sin power 4 theta. This is sin square theta by cos square theta. So x square y we got as sin square theta will be dividing square times. Here cos square taken up. So sin square by cos square becomes tan square. Here tan with cube. X square y, no need to take y square. Simply x square y only. X square y becomes secant square theta by sin square theta into only y we got sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta will be getting cancelled. 1 by cos theta becomes secant theta. So secant square into secant becomes secant theta. Now you can use the concept of x square y power 2 by 3 minus xy square power 2 by 3. Why you are using 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 whole cube power 2 by 3 becomes square. So this identity we can write here secant cube theta whole square minus tan cube theta whole square. Here 2 by 3 you put not square. 3 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. So x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. The identity is 1. Therefore, by elimination of theta, we got the equation as x square by whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Until here, we have successfully completed the trigonometric ratios up to transformations chapter. In that basic trigonometry, I said that exercise 6a completely using the theory concept depends upon objective formulae and allied angles, compound angles, everything formula with all the solved examples and with complete exercise I handed successfully completed in maths 1A textbook exercise 6A completed successfully. You can understand that already intermediate syllabus has been started, bridge course completed. So whatever the students have been joined in our IIT Academy, then every student has to write notes, and whatever the last page is there, put a pic after watching this complete video, put a pic in your Trek 24 or MSET Elite groups. I think already whatever the BPC group is there, the NEET group has been separated. So whatever the mathematics students are there, every mathematics students belonging to my group. So you feel your responsibility and write the notes carefully for IPE. Year after I handle objective also. For objective also you put separate notes and you can write the objective in that separate notes. If you are not having material, come to the campus and get the material in IPE books also available. No need to feel that which is not possible. Everything is possible. You come to college and you take the books, get the books, then you can understand the class by each and every sum you can understand. So I am going to discuss with you that every student has to feel the respective responsibility. Don't neglect students. In next class, I will give another concept, either maths or maths will be said. Okay, students, let us give the next class.